coverage of the docking of Progress 83 cargo spacecraft to the Zvezda module on the aft or back end of the Russian segment of the International Space Station. You're currently seeing live views inside of the International Space Station Flight Control Room here in Houston, Texas. Flight controllers here are working in tandem with flight controllers halfway around the world in Russian Mission Control Center in the town of Koryov on the outskirts of Moscow to monitor the slow and steady approach of the Progress 83 cargo craft to the International Space Station. The unpiloted resupply cargo vehicle that launched on Thursday is wrapping up its 2-day, 34-orbit journey to the station with a docking to the Zvezda module just about 49 minutes from now. All of the Progress systems are in good shape, and all of the rendezvous burns and engine firings to fine-tune the Progress's approach have been executed without any issues, and the Progress is all set moving into the neighborhood of the International Space Station a short time from now. The Progress is carrying 5,715 pounds, or about 2.8 tons of cargo to the International Space Station this morning. Within that cargo is 3,501 pounds of propellant, 88 pounds of nitrogen, 926 pounds of water, and about 1,200 pounds of dry cargo, including spare parts and other supplies for the crew on board the International Space Station.
Copy.
And that bright speck on your screen that just went out of view is the first views from the International Space Station of the Progress vehicle as it approaches.
Minus 0.6 rate at 290 range. Copy. I can see the fly around. Copy.
Дальность 260, минус 047 скорость, идет облет.
Range 260 minus 0.47, and I am observing the fly around. Copy.
And we're now seeing an up-close view from a camera on the truss of the International Space Station. Once we get, there we go, Progress back in view as it is approaching the International Space Station. Again, it's in a fly over or fly around pattern currently. That fly around of the station will last only just for a few minutes, resulting in station keeping for a brief period to enable the Russian flight control team time to assess the vehicle's systems before they reinitiate the system's automated approach for contact and capture.
And we confirm signal acquisition. And we are standing by for station keeping.
Наблюдаем, как летит корабль с камеры, которая на агрегатном отсеке.
We do see the video from the SM aft camera, most likely. We see that the light is on. Copy, and we are at the axis of the docking node, and the range is about 0.197, and the range rate is about 0. Copy. Well, maybe they will give us a go to send the Final rendezvous and docking command. And I confirm the maneuver has started.
Again, progress in the final stretch to deliver 5,715 pounds, or 2.8 tons of cargo to the International Space Station. Within that cargo is 3,501 pounds of propellant, 88 pounds of nitrogen, 926 pounds of water, and about 1,200 pounds of dry cargo, which includes spare parts and other supplies for the crew on board the International Space Station.
Point zero. Please send BPS initial on the signal conversion unit and bring up display 44. Copy. We confirm operation outer and innermost are illuminated. 11:34:55 is the time when I sent the final approach commands has been sent. Copy. Please deactivate the operation command. Copy. Operation is off. Okay, and the outermost, the innermost are not illuminated. Okay, awesome. Work for page 23. That's going to be automatic rendezvous and docking monitoring. Copy. Range is 7. The target is in the center. And the crosshairs are aligned. Copy.
"11 meters now separating progress in this station.
Range is 5. The target is in the center of the periscope. Copy. Range is 3 meters. Range rate is minus 0.10. We are standing by for contact. Copy. The target is
6
in the
kilometers
center
away from the International Space Station.
periscope. We are standing by for contact. Contact confirmed. All right, we did feel it.
Contact confirmed. Docking confirmed at 2:45 a.m. Central Time, 3:45 a.m. Eastern Time. As the International Space Station and Progress 83 were flying 269 statute miles over the South Pacific Ocean.
Docking. Congratulations with such a successful docking, guys, to you too. And please, after the retraction, please stand by.
Now we'll stand by for
So
the relative
after
motion
the,
between the vehicle and the station to slow down before the docking probe is retracted on the Progress to enable hooks to close to form a hard mate between the Progress and
Retraction,
the International
please
Space
stand by
Station.
and move over to page 27. Copy.
If you're just joining us, we're having live coverage of Progress 83 docking. We just docked 3 minutes ago at 2:45 a.m. Central Time, 3:45 a.m. Eastern Time. As the Progress International Space Station, we're flying 269 statute miles over the South Pacific Ocean. We are currently standing by for relative motion between the vehicle and the station to slow before the docking probe is retracted on the Progress to enable hooks to close to form a hard mate between the Progress and the station.